For doors, windows and openings, we can easily insert a reveal. When a door object is selected, all we need to do is simply check the reveal option in the Properties pane. The default reveal has standard dimensions. Checking upper side, we can then extend the reveal to the top side too. The data dialog allows us to further customize the reveal and its shape. The diagram here shows a standard reveal geometry with a letter assigned to each dimension entity. If we modify each of these dimension values, we can easily shape our reveal and geometry.